Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl Dipped in Chocolate. So for today's vlog, you see the title down below. You'll be prepping with me for my flight to Ohio. So basically, I'll be just getting some small stuff like my outfit, my I don't even know. We're gonna pre-pack and prep for the flight. So I really want you guys to, see what I do when I'm preparing for a flight, as you guys usually do if you keep up to date with my vlogs. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified whenever Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. One girl, look at me, so there's some accessory too. So guys, we're at the Tanger Mall again, trying to get some stuff to finish off my shopping and finish off packing my bag. See, I'm getting the content for y'all, so y'all can't be choking me up no more saying, oh, where's my content? You ain't posting. Like, I've got responsibilities. Responsibilities. Alright, so we're doing a rock paper scissors shoot on these two colognes. So we have the Maximum Blue Aeropostale and we have the Prime Midnight. So me want the Prime Midnight and him want the Maximum Blue Aeropostale. So we're doing a rock paper scissors shoot. So which one forget what? Rock paper scissors shoot. Alright. This smells really good. Guys, we're in Aeropostale. They're having a massive sale and we basically get one, buy one get two free. Yeah, so we're at the jewelry section. Let me show you guys what is here. Man, I'm the piercings, so I would be this section and my section. This nice. So Aeropostale is having a major sale, so I'm in here going to school. Because even the men's pants, $6 up. Like, y'all on some sale type shit. So guys, we're back in Old Navy. Guys, you realize I'm not really showing you like a lot. It's just like a little montage of, what is happening, some little snippets, because this video is not gonna be too long. Just maybe it will be like a guide for others who are packing, or so let you guys know what's happening. You know what that. Some win rock paper scissors shoot all ago. A rock paper scissors shoot game here to see me coming. Charlotte Road, my favorite place. Alrighty. So guys, I'm in Perfume for You at Tanger, doing a perfume scent tester. So this one is La Rive. Smells damn good. I have this one called Mimo VIP for men. This smells good. They choose this over La Rive. What that pronounce it? La Rive. If I put the R, La River, sorry, La Rive.
Cashier number 5, please.
So basically finished and heading home. We went to Charlotte Rose, we went to Perfume for You, we went to TJ Maxx, we went to where else? Postal, Old Navy, and went into other places. Oh, went into Burlington. I don't even know whatever. But yeah, let's see. So guys, look how someone never gonna buy nothing. I'm gonna end up in a Starbucks. You know, it's an award for every walking up and down I did today. So let me give you an aesthetic video in Starbucks. So we're in Ross, we're in Walmart, and then I think we'll be finished for the day. I think we'll just be packing. I'm hungry as hell, and I already pre-seasoned some sliced fish, so I might go home and cook. I'm not sure, depending on how I feel, because I'm really tired. Been cleaning from bed because, you know, we're evacuating very soon. This is a small chocolate mocha frap, chocolate cookie frap. Really tastes really good. You know, my usual. Alright, so I'm home now. I'm just gonna try on this necklace. It's like a layered necklace, guys. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna just try it on and see how it look. As I said, it's layered. So we have this other piece. It's so cute. So I'm gonna maybe cook some food, you know, or maybe just warm up something, because I'm really hungry. I don't know if I told you guys that I'm hungry, but I am starving. I'm starving, honey. Oh, Caesar, you're taking it, honey. Guys, so basically I done pack in our little way, and you know, a girl wants to drink some wine tonight, so I don't have the thing to open the wine opener, so I'm gonna try open it with this. I don't know if it's gonna work. Wanna see this? Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right, guys? Let me try open it with it. I don't think I'm doing it right. So much light on me. I'm doing smoke. I don't think maybe it right. Jay.
The next day.
So guys, this is the next day while I was heading to work. So these are some Trump supporters, you know, doing their little campaigning, driving around with their flags and their, you know, campaigning stuff. Yeah. So guys, I'm at work. But I never like vlog when I'm at work before, but seeing that today's my last day and I have my flight tomorrow, might as well let you guys know what I'm doing today and everything. So basically I'm being a food runner this morning, so it's 11:03 a.m. right now, and I have my coffee and I'm just chilling basically until the restaurant starts to pick up, and then later on I'm going to finish pack and get ready for my flight tomorrow morning. Also, I'm wondering if you guys want to see me like run some food or show you guys the food or whatever, because it'll be my last day at work, so might as well, right? I might let you guys see what I do. That's if I remember, because yesterday was really busy. I don't know if today's gonna be busy. If it's not busy, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing, but if not, sorry.
I'm gonna miss you. Yeah. You had that one too today? No, but yeah. I see the name in. Yeah. Yeah, right? I'm so tired. Yeah. Have to watch out, you know? So he is smashing up the roast chicken. Annie Mamona. I'm leaving. I'm leaving tomorrow, Annie. Annie, I'm leaving tomorrow.
Oh no. Alberto. What's Alberto? It's the original Alberto, you know. Original.
From Jamaica, man.
Guys, it's such a beautiful morning. Let me show you guys where I usually go when I am tired of, you know, inside of the restaurant, because I usually go somewhere when I'm just tired and I want to free my mind a little bit. It's so beautiful. So this is my spot, guys. If anybody come here next year or come here whenever, this is my spot. So look where the water is. It's the captain here. Hey captain!
Hey,
How you doing? I'm good.
Good.
Today's my last day.
Uh-oh, where are you going?
I'm going back to Jamaica.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
For how long?
Forever, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
Somebody tell me they cooking a brisket today
Brisket? I'm not sure. I think so.
for the lunch special or something?
Yeah, but I'm not sure. Yeah.
Will you turn my water on for me there?
Sure, I will. Over
Probably
here?
The little black hose you make. Where you fly out of?
Pensacola.
Cola?
Yeah.
When you leaving?
Tomorrow.
Oh, man.
That's my friend. Back over there. Yeah, so he rides the tiki boat, the tiki queen. So he has the biggest tiki boat. I'm letting them know. I mean sail, not ride. Yep. I'll see you when I circle back, okay?
Be careful.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, guys, so yeah, I feel so good. My face is so oily because I have Vaseline on it. I don't know, but Vaseline helps my dryness more than lotion. It's either I have lotion that is oil based, or I just use the Vaseline on my face, and it works pretty well with my face dryness, because my face can get really dry until it starts to strip, so I have to use Vaseline. Sometimes when I see my shine, I have to shine. If I not shine, I'm going to be extra dry and stripping. Okay, so let me show you guys where I come whenever I have anything on my mind, whenever, you know, anything is going on and I want to basically release myself and basically talk to myself and talk through anything that is happening up here. So welcome to my haven. Yeah, yes guys, so we have a lot of boats that dock here, so it's really pretty. Plus there's a lot of dolphins that swim around this area, a lot of birds, as you can see, a lot of birds literally swimming in the water trying to, you know, catch fish. See them there over there. So I don't know the name of those birds, but yeah. And then you have the men over there that catch the fish. So there's a lot going on, little going on, but a lot going on, if you understand what I'm saying. I get to meet a lot of friends, a lot of owners of these boats pass by, you know, have small talks, small conversations. So it's about networking, it's about, you know, your mental health, it's about everything. Yeah, so there's a lot going on. I'm gonna really miss this place. Really miss this place. The water is not blue like how we'd expect it to be blue, but you know, it still gives that vibe. See the birds come close to us, like close, like it's like them like here, it's like them get so used to humans, them just come close and whatever. Them not gonna touch you, but them all come close. I wish a dolphin could pop up so you guys can see. The wind is always, you know, blowing, I guess, so maybe this is even affecting the audio, but it's always cool and nice out here. I'll just sit anywhere and just look out, see a dolphin, see fish jumping up the water. It's like they have flying fish here, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me. Have flying fish, because I see the fish them always jump out of the water, so I don't know if they have flying fish, but don't quote me. That's what the fishes always do, jump out of the water. Plus you have the dolphins, plus you have the birds, plus you have the men catching fish, plus you have the tiki boats. So it's just a vibe, you know. It's always give me peace. So that's all. That's not really all. You have more, you know, a lot more sections of the deck, but this is where I always go. I'm going to be going back inside, might, you know, run some more food and all that. I might vlog later for you guys also to show you my co-workers and all that, but for now I'm heading inside, so peace out. It's getting rough, guys. Got the board. Bye, guys. So after work, I headed home and started to pack again, because no matter how much pack 5-6 days before, 3 days before, so the night before, me have to go back in the suitcase and put something in our other suitcase, find something what did forgot in the suitcase. This just always happens every time, so I'm not even surprised. So after I finished packing and getting myself started for my flight in the morning, I went to sleep. I only slept for like 2 hours because my flight was like 5 o'clock and I got my bed after 2. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wake up and get ready. So this is me heading to the airport. So yeah. look at it in the hour right now because we come off of the plane late-ish. So let's go find our gate. Airport vlog. Atlanta is so beautiful. Let me show you what's going on in front of me. So nice, so cutesy, so demure.
First D. D is in directories, where you can find more than 300 places to shop, dine, and explore.
Okay, then we're going a little run. So I'm good enough. Remember when me, I always travel by myself, and I find it very scary to fly, but I'm getting used to it. Like, but I get used to say, but in the sky, and the pilot can go to Bin Laden anytime, and anything can happen, and that's proof. I get that. But I'm comfortable with that now. I'm not really comfortable with it, but I understand that that can go on. So, pilot good enough like me, I tell you, so the man angle the plane, the man angle the air, the man angle the wings, the man angle the clouds. Why the man leg of the plane when the man land? Errol, I don't know what name, I don't know what the pilot name. I call it Errol. Errol, where did John Crow? I said the man leg of the plane, I tell you, so the man let it go. It's your time to fly your flight. Okay, so I'm heading to my gate right now. So my gate is B4. I wanna cause this. Gonna B4, that be 27 for the. You see Uno? I'm stop talking to now. Focus. Because I'm going to wait on be. And the. Hey. You see Uno go down. Shame. So I finally reach. See? I don't know what's wrong with me.
That's very calm.
So this flight, a lot of the seats are empty. So you need to decide two seats inside and one more empty. This is what I have to do. I have an aisle seat because the seats are empty. I'm just checking the lobby seat. Cleveland, about to get my luggage from the baggage claim, and I'm gonna hit up my auntie. Well, I've been hit her up, so she's gonna come get me right now. So I'm just here waiting on my drive, waiting on my cousins to come pick me up. That flight wasn't bad at all. It was just the first flight. The landing was crazy, but this one is cool. Landing and everything was okay. So I'm just waiting on my cousins to come and pick me up, and then it's a vibe from there. Okra. I don't know what that's okra. Cardi B had us in a choke hold, honey. Auntie said she put up food for me.
Yeah, we're gonna go to my house so we can have about a suitcase and then go outside.
Just landed and look at. What's wrong with the people them? What's wrong with them?
The arrival shot.
Arrival shots, honey.
This show you the tips, right? Oh, in the reach. No, because we're gonna
Okay, traffic now.
Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my thing.
Alright guys, so this is the end of this vlog, so stay tuned for the other vlog. We're about to come, or we're gonna go. And this is me I walk, so yes, me I go down the road. Well, what's good here? Can't put over there, no try. I get sweet like a honey. There's some boy figure on for them mommy. And hey, walk out, y'all walk out. Alright guys.